Question number 9. ABCD is a square, so all these sides are basically equal, that has been given. And QRC is 25 degrees. This happens to be 25 degrees. Find PAC and QAC. QAC is the question. Now, since ABCD is a square, all these corner angles are 90 degrees. Therefore, that has been written in the given component, and the sides are also equal. And QRC has been given as 25, and AP equals PQ is also stands given. As you can see, AC being the diagonal, the diagonal bisects this angle. Therefore, when it is 90, we have CAB or BAC as 45 degrees. And that has been elaborately written down here in the box. That is how we have BAC equals 45 degrees. Now it has been given that these two sides are equal. Therefore, the base angles will be obviously equal. Let that be X. Since BAC is 45 and we have taken PAQ as X, BAC minus PAQ will give us QAR. This angle can be obtained by subtracting this part from this part. So 45 minus X will be QAR. And for this triangle, PQA will be the external angle. This angle is external angle, and that is the sum of this 25 and this 45 minus X, and that has been written here. And from that we can arrive at X value, which is 35. Once PQA is 35, then PAQ is also 35. Once this is 35, then this is also 35. And the rest of the problem is very simple maths, just value substitution, and we have got the values as shown here.